I found the miraculous recipe for cough relief. Let's see how to do it together. Step 1. Pour a glass of warm water into a bowl. Step 2. Add the juice of half a lemon to the water. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the water. Step 4. Optionally, add a pinch of ginger powder or grated ginger root to the water. Step 5. Mix all the ingredients well. Step 6. Drink this mixture slowly. This mixture can soothe the throat and relieve coughing thanks to the emollient properties of honey and the vitamin C content of lemon and the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. However, it is important to consult a doctor in cases of severe or prolonged coughing. Don't forget to follow my channel for more information.